Eminent Ranchi-based ophthalmologist Dr. Bharati Kashyap today needs no introduction. Regarded as the vision ambassador for a relentless crusade against blindness, particularly in rural Jharkhand, Dr. Bharati Kashyap has carved out a niche for herself even overseas by presenting her research papers on femto-bladeless laser cataract and bladeless LASIK surgery at international seminars and conferences. Under an innovative vision for rural Jharkhand campaign, Dr. Bharati Kashyap has conducted eye screening camps for children at Palamu, Latehar, Saranda, Khuti, West Singhbhum, Santhal Parganas, Ramgarh and Ranchi. Distributed eyeglasses and removed cataract from eyes of thousands of children free. This way, she has ensured a brighter future for nearly 17 lakh school children enrolled in state-run schools of Jharkhand. In association with the State Social Welfare Department, Dr. Bharati Kashyap has carried out intensive eye screening of children belonging to tribal and primitive tribe groups, distributed free eyeglasses and removed cataract from the eyes of thousands of school-going children, thereby enabling them to take the future into their own hands. For the first time, eye screening tests were done for 1,700 tribal sports persons by Dr. Bharati Kashyap, who even gifted free eyeglasses to those detected with refractive errors. Over the past 22 years, she has been conducting periodic eye camps in all districts of Jharkhand, brought hundreds of men, women and children to their base hospital at Ranchi for free cataract removal surgery using state-of-the-art phaco ultrasonic machine. With their sights restored, thousands of daily wage workers have found gainful occupations for themselves. To promote road safety, Dr. Bharati Kashyap is partnering with National Highway Authority of India for specialized screening and free eyeglasses dispensing and cataract surgery for thousands of truck drivers who crisscross the state with their trucks. Every year, in association with All India Ophthalmological Society, she has been conducting diabetic retinopathy camps for poor diabetic children, thereby preventing permanent vision loss in thousands of children. Free retina screening facilities for premature babies suffering from congenital eye problems are being provided at Kashyap Memorial Eye Hospital, Ranchi. Acknowledging her relentless drive against blindness, particularly in rural Jharkhand, and for outstanding services to humanity, Dr. Bharati Kashyap has recently been conferred with the Doctor of the Year Award 2017 by the Indian Medical Association, New Delhi.
In this category of Doctor of the Year Award is going to yet another big doctor. She's Dr. Bharati Kashyap, Medical Director of Ophthalmological Institution. She's doing a lot of work on eye donations and cornea replacement surgery.
Dr. Bharati Kashyap is the first doctor from Jharkhand to be conferred with IMA honors. Earlier, in 2014, Dr. Bharati Kashyap was conferred with the prestigious Med Achievers Award by IMA New Delhi for excellent community services. The award was given away by Dr. Harshvardhan, the then Union Health Minister. She is also nominated for Gold Medal 2018 by the Intraocular Implant and Refractive Society of India for her exemplary contribution in the field of ophthalmology. Fearless in spirit, working tirelessly to provide the best in eye care to the underprivileged, the poor and the forgotten sections of society, Dr. Bharati Kashyap has been treading an uncharted path, pushing forward every minute to preserve God's most precious gift of sight to mankind.